another challenge video, and this is going to be between, I'm not gonna say it now, you're gonna see who is going to be in this challenge, but it's going to be a Chubby Bunny challenge. We are super excited to do it, so let me show you the contestants. Alright, so today's contestant is Mayank and Nitish, my brother and my husband. So I am super excited. Are you guys excited?
And these are our marshmallows.
Yep.
And if you guys do not know what we are gonna do in this Chubby Bunny challenge, we are gonna stuff our mouth with a marshmallow and say the word Chubby Bunny. We are not supposed to swallow, eat,
cannot
chew,
eat it,
or
cannot take
do
it out.
anything.
Yeah.
And as many marshmallows we can put into our mouth and keep saying Chubby Bunny,
yep,
we'll count them at the end and
Chubby
see who
Bunny
wins. So
yep,
it's gonna be an exciting challenge for those who haven't seen our previous Chubby Bunny challenge between Tanya and Ashley. To make sure I'll put a little card over here. You can
yep,
go and watch that video as well.
Winning team!
We'll see.
So let's get started with
Winning
this
team!
video.
So, wanna start?
Alright.
Don't chew.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. How do you feel, Mom?
Chubby Bunny.
Oh my god.
Chubby Bunny.
Oh my god.
Chubby Bunny.
Oh my god, look at this. Can you put in more?
Oh my god. I couldn't put this in, so you cannot count that.
Yep.
I got 4 here.
Chubby Bunny.
Oh my god, one more. 7.
Chubby Bunny.
Oh my god, one more.
Come on, you're not supposed to squeeze it, you just put it like this.
No, you can just put it however you want actually.
Chubby Bunny.
Let me help you.
Oh my god.
Okay, you wanna come here? Okay people, clearly he is the winner. He got a mouth of a cow. So I cannot compete with that.
He had like 7 marshmallows.
Yeah, he had 7, I had like 4. I couldn't even get the 5th one in.
Yep.
So anyways, that was
Nine marshmallows.
he had 9 marshmallows in there.
9 marshmallows. Oh my god.
9! Yeah!
So clearly he's the winner. If you know anybody who has beaten those 9 marshmallows,
Let us know.
Comment. We wanna go see that video how that person sounded at 9 marshmallows. Because this one clearly, oh my god. So anyways, we are having so much fun recording these videos for you. So please let us know what other challenge you want us doing.
Winning team!
So next time, comment and let us know what challenge you want to see us doing. And we are gonna see you in another video, another amazing video. So hit that subscribe and the like bell icons so you don't miss it. And until then, bye bye!
जाइएगा मत, वापस जरूर आइएगा.